If you've been thinking about buying in the Denver metro area, pay attention to this because Arvada might be on the edge of something big. A lot of buyers wait until a neighborhood is hot, but by then prices have already moved. The smart move is spotting the signs before everyone else does. So, here are 3 really easy indicators that a neighborhood is about to grow, and Arvada is checking all 3 right now. First, look at the small businesses. When you start seeing new coffee shops, local restaurants, breweries, boutique fitness studios popping up, that's not random. Business owners study rooftops and demographics before they invest. Olde Town, Arvada has seen a steady flow of that kind of growth, and that's usually an early signal of momentum. Second, pay attention to renovations. Drive the neighborhoods. Are older homes getting updated? Are you seeing pop tops, remodels, new landscaping? When homeowners start reinvesting in their properties, it tells you buyers believe in long-term value. And third, infrastructure and development. Arvada's access to light rail, proximity to Denver, and continued development around transit corridors makes it extremely attractive for buyers who want convenience without downtown pricing. When cities improve access and connectivity, demand usually follows. I've seen this happen before in other parts of the metro, and the pattern looks very similar. So, if you're looking for an area that still has opportunity, but already shows strong growth signals, Arvada deserves a serious look. If you want to see what's available right now, I'll link our Arvada area guide below. Take a look, explore what's out there, and if something catches your eye, let's talk before everyone else catches on. I'm Tim with Jones Team Colorado, eXp Realty. Happy to help you learn more about Arvada today.